This is a brand new 2013 Ford Edge. It has a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the convenience package, a multi-link rear suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, commercial-free satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a rear spoiler, a chrome grille, an anti-lock braking system, front and rear reading lights, and aluminum wheels. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Kuhn Silver Spring Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 3111 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Springs.